Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Thursday, the 20th of May 2021, where in just a few minutes I'll tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Michael Thompson, in the chair this afternoon for Sean Aylmer. Well, yesterday the local market had its worst day in 3 months, losing $43 billion in value, but today it clawed back a fair chunk of it, with the ASX 200 closing up 1.27% to 7,020 points. Of the 11 sectors, 10 went up, with the tech sector leading the recovery. The biggest gain was posted by Afterpay. Its share price closed up 7.7%, while fellow buy now pay later group Zipco climbed 5%. Online marketplace Redbubble was up 6.7%, and software company Altium closed 6.6% higher. Qantas said it was starting to emerge from the COVID-19 pandemic, and it expected a sustained rebound in domestic travel, as well as a pickup in its freight and loyalty divisions. It expects to be cash flow positive during the current half year. The airline said it would lose about $2 billion this financial year. It's offering more redundancies to international cabin crew, and there is a 2-year wage freeze on staff. Its share price was up 3.5% today. Ampol said it will collaborate with Tesla to build a virtual power plant at 3 fuel retailing sites and wants to develop a green hydrogen plant at its Brisbane oil refining facility as it heads towards its goal of reaching net zero direct emissions by 2030. Ampol wants to spend at least $100 million on future energy projects by 2025. The market responded well to the news, and its share price closed 0.5% higher. Evolution Mining has completed its acquisition of Canada's Battle North Gold for Canadian $343 million. The two groups operate fields next to each other, and Evolution hopes to find economies of scale as a result of the purchase. Evolution's share price was 0.4% higher. Mineral sands group Iluka Resources said it was halting its project in Sierra Leone after a poor operational and financial performance. Its share price dropped nearly 4.8% today, the second worst performer on the ASX 200. The biggest drop, though, came from data analytics group Nui, which was down almost 7%. It's been firmly in the spotlight this week after an investigative report in 9 entertainment newspapers. In economic news, Australia's unemployment rate fell to 5.5% last month. Remember, this was when the much-feared fiscal cliff was supposed to kick in, the first month after the end of JobKeeper. If you rewind 6 months ago, nobody would have expected the unemployment rate to have actually fallen today. But it did, with 33,800 new full-time jobs created. 64,400 part-time jobs were lost, but there was also fewer people looking for work. This reduction in the participation rate of people looking for jobs from record levels explained the lower unemployment rate. In the world of economics, the trend is your friend, and after revising upwards previous month's figures, the trend in the labour market is undoubtedly positive. The Aussie dollar jumped on the jobs data and is currently trading around 77.6 US cents. Just recapping Wall Street, the Nasdaq ended slightly higher after a late session surge by Facebook. Nasdaq closed up 0.2%. The S&P 500 index closed down 0.3%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average ended the session 0.5% lower. And it's been a crazy few days in the world of cryptocurrency, and today was no exception, with Bitcoin doing what it does best, fluctuating. At the moment, it's up nearly 3%, worth over $43,000 US. It's almost hard to keep track of, but Sean will bring you the latest tomorrow morning. That's it for the afternoon market report for Thursday, the 20th of May 2021. Join Sean Aylmer tomorrow morning for the regular edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Michael Thompson. Enjoy your evening.